Welcome to Daily English Practice for You.
How are you? I hope you are doing great and learning this language in great way. So now, as you can see, I'm in forest. This is the mangoes trees and lot of forest. So I'm here, and now I was coming from my exam center. As you can see in my hand, this is the exam paper. What I did today. So what the purpose of making videos? Okay, so I'm explaining with you. So the purpose of making this video, because it's my first blog, we can say first video and blog, we can say anything. So in this video I wanna tell you that how can you learn English, and how I learn English, and how I practice English with my phone. Because if you have phone, then you can learn anything with your phone. Okay, because if in this era, if anybody has a smartphone, so it's we can say it's a smartphone is a teacher. Because if you wanna learn anything, so you can search on social media, on YouTube, on any website, on any platform, um, according to your need, so you can learn from there, because it is so helpful for students. And I didn't join any coaching center. Yeah, just I practice, and I learned English with my smartphone, and I practice every day 30 minutes. Yeah, so if you want to improve your English, so just don't make excuses. Because you have a smartphone, then you can learn anything. Okay, so don't make excuse, just start from today. Don't wait for your. So guys, okay, so and if you want to learn English fastly, so just start from today. Because if you will think about that, I will start from tomorrow, so tomorrow will not come. Okay, tomorrow doesn't come ever. So start from today. Because English is a language you can learn easily. Okay, so don't understand it hard. Okay, so just start from today. It will helpful for you in for future. Okay, I'm telling you one thing, that if you will practice regularly with consistently, so you will get more fluency in your English. Okay, within few months, few days. Okay, so start from today. Because if you will search what channel I watch, which channel I watch to learn English, so I would like to suggest you that choose one channel and watch that channel videos and learn from there, and practice every day on any platform, on any website. Because uh, now, in this era, there is a lot of website and free English learner application available. So you can search on platform on any browser, like Google. Okay, so from there you can learn. So basically, if your English not good, so you will have to firstly you will have to improve your, and clear your basic English. After that, you can download any speaking platform application, and you can practice from there. After that, you can learn English. Okay, because if you have phone, so it's easy for you to learn English. Because I have also phone, and I didn't join any English coaching center. Okay, so you can also learn. And if you wanna try any application to speak, which application is more better, so you can ask in my comment. So my dear viewers, if you want to learn English, so you will have to practice with consistently. Okay, because if you will practice constantly, continuously, so it will help you to a lot. Okay, and don't fear of mistake. Because if you will learn a lot, then definitely you will be mistake a lot. Okay, so who will mistake a lot, then they will learn a lot. Okay, so don't fear of mistake, just practice. And don't think English language is so hard. Okay, think it's a language anybody can learn. Okay, so you can also learn this language, and you can speak fluently, but you will have to practice daily and learn daily. Okay, yeah. So I hope you understand my point, what I'm saying you. Okay, and if you have any question for my English language, then you can ask in comment box. And if you will say that what kind of application I use to boost my English. Okay, comment a lot about this question, then I will make a video on that application, like which application I use to practice English. Okay, so if you don't have any partner to practice in English, so don't worry. Okay, so because there is a lot of free application, free website to practice in English. Okay, so if you want to know about that website and application name, leave your comment in. If you will ask that to make a video on free English speaking practicing app, then I will make a video on the about that application. Okay, so it will help you to a lot to learn English. Okay, so I hope you understand my point. Okay, so and if you have any question related to English language, that how to learn, how to boost my English, so you can ask in comment box, and I'll try to reply. Okay, don't wait for tomorrow, just start from today and learn every day. If you will practice at least around 30 minutes every day, then it will help you a lot. Okay, so just learn from today. Okay, and if you search if you scroll, if you search a lot on YouTube, that what channel, which channel I follow to learn English, so you will do this anytime and daily, so it will not helpful for you. That means it's a waste of time. So just search on YouTube any one channel, and follow that channel, and learn from there. And after that you can uh, install any free application to practice, and you can practice from there. Okay, if you are beginners learners of English, so you can watch podcast videos and English blog, and any kind of videos which in English. Okay, so you can learn from there. Okay, it will help you to a lot. Yeah, so and if you wanna if you understand English movie in English language, then you can learn English language in English movie also, because if you will watch English movie, so you can observe their how sentence speak in this movie, and how to um, make understand each other, so it will help you to a lot. Okay, as much as you start to learning English, so it will help you to a lot in future. And if you will wait for tomorrow and any especially date, so it will not helpful for you. It's only wasting of time. So don't think and don't overthink about it. So this is what I wanted to share with you. Okay, so bye bye for now. I will have to go home and take rest, because I was coming from exam center by train. So I thought that why not make a video about English language. So I started to recording videos here in this forest. If you found this video helpful for you, so just follow and subscribe and like also. So bye bye for now, take care, bye bye.